Think, Piper? What do you think? Is anyone coming out in the snow this morning? We got one straggler out. Cutie pie! Cutie pie! Everybody calm down. Calm down. We gotta get the eggs. Piper, don't get the eggs. Piper, are you gonna help me come get the eggs? Is there some in there? You wanna help me get the eggs? Hey, Carla. Oh, we lost the eggs. No. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. I'm gonna get through. Darla. It's cold out there. Can I have a kiss? What are you doing? What are you doing? It's a cold one out there. Oh, goodness. Have a problem. I just found these in the snow a minute ago while I was out taking care of the animals. So I'm gonna have to throw these in the wash before we even, and dry them before we even have a chance to go play in the snow because they're soaked and they're so muddy. All right, so I just got some cube steaks into the crock pot. A little behind, so I had to put it on high, but we just did a couple packs of cube steaks that we had from our cow, and then a pack of onion soup mix, a pack of brown gravy, 3 cups of beef broth, and then some garlic powder, onion at the bottom, and some salt and pepper. On high for 4 to 5 hours. So it started snowing like around 6 a.m. this morning, and I think we were supposed to get a less than a ½ inch, and it is still snowing, and it ended up snowing all the way until like 7 p.m. this evening. It's a little after 7 now as I'm doing this voiceover, and we just got, I'm telling you, a big snow for what it was supposed to be. But it has been a great day so far. Here in a little bit, after I get some of these chores done, we're going to go outside and play in the snow. But before then, we're going to make some homemade chocolate chip cookies. So I'm just going to get the kitchen tidied up really quick. And then let me tell you all, we have had to buy a new dishwasher after a year of living in this house. We haven't had it replaced yet, but I don't know what's going on with it. We have checked everything that we possibly could, I feel like, with the dishwasher, and I just cannot get it to work properly. So we have had to replace it. I think it has to do with the water that we have. The water in this county is absolutely horrid, and people around here are having to replace their appliances and all kinds of stuff within like 1 to 2 years. So I don't know what we're gonna do, but we can't keep doing this every year. What kind of soup did you make me? Well, you gotta tell me what kind of soup it is. Oh, I love soup. What kind of soup do we have? What kind? Ooh, this is like cookie soup. No, I'll show you it. The cake, cookie, and some icing. And bacon.
No, and bacon. So which one do you want?
Oh, I don't know. That's hard because I really like bacon, and I really like cake, and I really like cookies. So I think I want one with the bacon. Oh. Mmm. Delicious. Thank you.
Why? I'm gonna put it in. Can I put it in there?
Put it in there.
Okay. I'm gonna put white sugar. Three. Love it. Ooh.
I can do a little mixy.
Hey, done. Done.
Don't get any extras. Wait, if I cracked it right here. Oh,